All right, this is your IELTS speaking test and part one. We are going to start off with it. Let me ask you some general questions. Do you like to watch movies or films?
Mostly, I like to watch dramas, but on the weekends, I like to watch movies with my family, and sometimes I love to watch movies with my friends on the weekends because it is a good entertainment source for me. So, in this way, I can feel very happy and refresh for the next days.
All right, so to answer this question,
So,
I would
yes,
say I love to watch movies.
movies.
Good job. Let's go on. Do you prefer foreign films or local films?
Well, I prefer both because I love to watch local movies because it provides information
They
regarding
provide.
they provide information regarding culture and our traditions, and I also like to watch other movie sorry foreign movies because in this way it is the best way to learn the cultures about other societies and peoples. So that's why I love to watch both.
Okay, just be careful. You're adding as societies, peoples. So with society, it's okay. You can say
Okay.
different societies
And
and
cultures.
other people. People. Okay.
Ji.
Let's go on. Do you prefer to watch a movie at home or in the cinema?
To be honest, I love to watch movies and at the home because
At home.
at home because I am not like to go
I don't
cinemas.
like
I don't like to go cinemas
to go to the cinema.
to go to the cinema because I feel not comfortable.
I don't feel comfortable. I feel not comfortable is grammatically wrong.
Okay.
I don't feel comfortable.
I don't feel comfortable. So that's why I prefer to watch movies at the home as compared to go
All right,
cinema.
you say cinema, small popcorn,
Okay.
500.
Okay.
Little Coke, 300. At home, better.
Yes.
Okay? Something like that, all right?
Ji, sir.
So speak confidently,
Okay.
connect your ideas together, and work on your pronunciation as
Ji,
well.
sir.
When you do IELTS listening, try to focus that as
Yes,
well, right?
sir.
Thank you
Yes.
so much.
Thank you.
Thanks a lot.